Hello, friends, welcome back to my channel. Another new day, another new destination to be explored. As I can see, there's enough fuel for my ride today. Yeah, friends, we are all aware where we are heading. I am going to Tettekere, a little ahead of Jigni. So let's get going. I've always liked this part of my apartment, the exit ramp. This reminds me of the series I used to watch during my childhood, The Knight Rider. Yeah, many of us can recollect. I used to be so fond of his cars and bikes, and it used to exit in an amazing fashion. So, my exit ramp of my apartment reminds me of that. So, yeah, this is my apartment. I was, supposed to start early, but by the time I woke up, it was about 7:30. Then I just checked with my work schedule. I realized that my meetings were scheduled post lunch, so I didn't want to waste time. I thought I can explore a new place meanwhile. This place is not too far, it's about 36 kilometers odd from my apartment, and it would take about an hour. So I assumed that I could be back within 2 hours. The last bit of the ride is through this forest zone. So the forest zone did not last for too long though, it was just for about 5 kilometers. And after that was these agricultural land, what you can see now. But the ride so far has been good. By forest zone, I mean, I just inquired there with the officials, and they mentioned that there are only elephants that can be spotted now, but earlier there were a lot of other wild animals like tiger, leopard, and other wild animals which used to live in this area. This is the reason why I chose this place to explore. The drive is very scenic. We pass through a lot of coconut plantation, a lot of agricultural land, and the landscape is amazing. In fact, the roads are also good, but in between there are few villages, few patches of road are not that great, a lot of humps. Of late I've been liking this riding solo and exploring new places. Hopefully I'll get time in future as well, now that due to lockdown and stuff, business is not going that great, so a lot of meetings have been cancelled, and a lot of business is not happening, in fact. So hope everything will be fine soon, but looking at the cases going up, cases on the rise, I'm a little worried. Hope everything will be fine soon. So what better than traveling that can cheer you up? Hence I took the opportunity to step out. Reach this place, Tettekere Lake. The drive was good, but apparently they have fenced the lake now. That's because there are crocodiles here. Crocodiles here. These are the localites who helped me out to reach here, because they have fenced the entrance. Apparently I'm not supposed to enter the lake. That's because they have taken this area as the forest zone, but I was lucky to come down here. So I'll try and click few photos, have a look, and please do come during the day. Evenings is not recommended because there is animal movement out here. So let me try taking some photos. You can have a look. Stay tuned. I was in fact very lucky, I must say, that there was a forest officer who in fact was on rounds. So he told me that I could go in and click a couple of photos and I had to get back soon. Yeah, this is the lake. It looks simply amazing. A lot of crocodiles out here. In the recent past, there have been few encounters with the villagers. So that's the reason they have fenced the area, is what he told me. And the area opposite to this lake, there are a lot of elephants. And these elephants get into the villages sometime. Hence they fenced the entire area down. I was really lucky, I must say, that I got a glimpse of the lake thanks to the officer who allowed me to do so. So the boys who helped me out to come down here. A friend out here, he liked my bike, he's taking photos. Heading back. This was the road I had to take to reach the lake. So earlier it was open for public. After a couple of crocodile encounters with the villagers, they have sealed it down. They have fenced it with electrical fences. Overall, another day well spent. I'm happy with the journey. I'm happy that I could explore another place. Guys, please don't trespass. I just entered a couple of feet inside so that just I could take the photos of the lake. If you can have a look here, this is a serious fencing what they have done here so that people don't trespass. Definitely that's because a lot of wild animals here.